Ever dreamed of walking the historic halls of a UK university, but the application process feels like a giant puzzle? You're not alone, and I'm here to tell you it's much simpler than you think. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into everything you need to know about studying in the United Kingdom. From choosing the right course to getting that visa stamp, we've got you covered. So, why the UK? Imagine studying in world-renowned institutions, surrounded by centuries of history and a vibrant multicultural society. The UK offers shorter, more focused degrees, which means you can enter the workforce faster and save on tuition fees and living costs. Plus, with the new graduate route visa, you can stay and work in the UK for 2 years after your studies. This is an incredible opportunity to gain international work experience and kickstart your global career. But where do you start? The first step is research. Think about what you're passionate about. Is it business, engineering, arts, or medicine? The UK has a top-tier university for every field. Once you have a few courses in mind, it's time to check the entry requirements. This usually includes your academic transcripts, an English language proficiency test score like IELTS, a compelling personal statement, and letters of recommendation. That personal statement is your chance to shine. It's where you tell your story and explain why you are the perfect candidate for their program. Now, let's talk about the application itself. Most undergraduate applications go through a centralized system called UCAS for postgraduate courses. You'll often apply directly to the university. This is where having an expert guide can make all the difference. We help you navigate these portals, ensuring every part of your application is polished and submitted correctly and on time. We've helped countless students get into their dream universities, and we can do the same for you. Once you receive that exciting offer letter, the next hurdle is the student visa. The process can seem daunting with all the paperwork and financial proof required, but don't worry. We provide step-by-step guidance on gathering the right documents, filling out the visa application, and preparing for your interview. Our goal is to make your journey from offer letter to boarding your flight as smooth and stress-free as possible. We believe that every student deserves the best guidance to achieve their dreams. Your future is a big deal, and we're here to help you build it, one step at a time. If you found this information helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Do not forget to ring the notification bell so you won't miss our next video on scholarships and funding. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.